Florida insurance crisis. Florida lawmakers and insurance experts have repeatedly sounded the alarm over the years about the number of lawsuits filed against insurance companies, blaming those lawsuits for the skyrocketing rates.
But I-Team investigator Jackie Calloway found consumer complaints against insurers are also out of proportion compared to the rest of the country.
This is a shell of our beautiful home last year after the hurricane.
After Hurricane Ian annihilated Southwest Florida, homeowners like Sherry McBride waited months for their insurer to pay for repairs. But the McBrides say their carrier only covered a partial fix of their storm-torn home.
We are in our 70s. He's a Vietnam veteran, and we're hurting right now.
So the couple hired an attorney and tell me they have since settled. Industry data indicates Florida property insurers get hit with more lawsuits than any other state in the country. Cases that have been blamed on shady contractors and their attorneys. But the numbers reveal something else.
The complaint data suggests that Florida policyholders are the most unhappy with their insurance carriers out of anybody in the country.
Doug Quinn with the American Policyholder Association is referring to this chart from the National Association of Insurance Commissioners. It shows 13,490 policyholders filed complaints in 2021 against 30 of the largest homeowner carriers in Florida.
We have companies that have 10 times what their expected complaints should be relative to their market share.
It's way out of proportion considering nearly 30% of the 41,000 complaints filed against all property insurers in 2021 came from Florida. And that was before Hurricane Ian struck.
They had to totally gut it.
We want good insurers in this market that are behaving in a way that the consumer can feel comfortable that they're giving money to someone who will be there when they need it.
Florida Insurance Commissioner Michael Jaworski says he's focused on enforcing a new law that enacted consumer protections for Florida policyholders after a disaster.
It included a lot of accountability measures that require insurers to act in a timely fashion.
OIR issued fines to 13 insurers in the second quarter of this year over failure to report litigation and other data. We didn't find any sanctions related to customer complaints.
I think you'll see action on that within the coming months that show that we're taking that very seriously.
If you or anyone you know is struggling with an insurance claim, you can file a complaint with the Office of Insurance Regulation. I've posted that information for you at abcactionnews.com. I'm I-Team investigator Jackie Calloway taking action for you.